Hello and welcome to Nikolay's Biostatistics lessons, and here's a question of the day. Suppose we compare two random samples taken from the California hospital's all discharge database. Sample A is a random sample with 100 discharges, sample B is a random sample with 2000 discharges. What can be said about the relationship between the sample standard error in sample A relative to the sample standard error of the length of the stay value in sample B? And here is a graph which shows the length of the stay in the hospital. We may call this population, and from this population, these two samples were taken. Our answer is going to be based on the formula of the standard error, where in numerator we have standard deviation divided by square root of n, where n stands for the sample size. Now let's compare. Our sample A has 100 discharges and sample B has 2000 discharges. So 100 and 2000 will go here. And of course, the greater number here is going to be, the smaller standard error is going to be. So sample A would produce bigger standard error than sample B with 2000 discharges. But even without the formula, you should understand that the bigger the sample, the smaller is going to be standard error. Hence the answer B. Standard error of the sample A is going to be bigger than standard error of the sample B. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.